Hi, I am Bridget. I am the CEO of My Girls Beauty. I am a lash vendor. I offer wholesale on my website. I also offer lash starter kits, which those are 15 mm. My wholesale orders are 25 mm. I also sell 30 mm on my website, but not as a wholesale order. You can buy it single. So all lashes that I do have on my that I do offer, you can buy them all single. Wholesale and starter kits, they come in just this regular case, and if you buy them single, they come in a design case. So my lashes are bold, dramatic, and full beautiful lashes. So this is number 25. Everything has been wiped down. This is my third time trying to record this video. So number 25. With on my wholesale lashes, I offer at this time 5 different styles. 5 different styles. This is number 8. Number 8 has a little curl to her. These lashes are dramatic, very long, but beautiful lashes. Okay, these are number 27. Sorry. Very full, very bold, have a little curl to them. Alright. This one is number 28. This has a little curl to it. This one's fuller than number 8. I have actually sold out, so luckily I got this in. I have sold out on number 8 and number 28. So now we're restocking all the lashes together just to make sure I don't run out again. I'm pretty sure I will, but I will have backups coming. So I will do an inventory check after I finish this video. I have orders I need to get off, and I have to put them up. So these are my shelves I need to put up. This is my last style. This is number 26. Okay. Number 26. So, thanks for watching. I got through this video, and sorry for my son walking in. Thanks for watching. Y'all check out my website, please. Like, subscribe. Let's be new friends. Let's work together. You can also follow me on Instagram at my_girls_beauty. I will I will leave everything in the description. So thanks, y'all have a good day.